Good morning, everybody. A very tranquil and peaceful 71 degrees, 6:40 in the morning, Columbus, Ohio. I've been up since about 3:30. Our dog, Kingston, the wild animal that I brought home, I don't know what I was thinking when I brought this dog home. I love him nonetheless. Blew out both of his knees, both of his back legs, torn ACLs, or the dog equivalent to an ACL. You might be thinking, oh, that sounds so terrible. You know, he did it himself. He basically knocked over a brick wall, tore both of his back knees, and now I'm stuck with probably a $10,000 vet bill. But also, he's at home. He's got the cone of shame on, cannot settle down at night. He's got me up and at it all night. I want to make the most of my time, though, so I went to the gym about 5:30. But today we're talking about the perfect storm for real estate investing. And the perfect storm pretty much consists of, you know, we're headed into inflationary times. And, you know, I personally have been talking about, you know, inflation longer than most people that I know on these Facebook channels and YouTube and whatnot. Right after the U.S. CARES Act passed, after, you know, the Rona and COVID. But I cannot take credit that I'm some, you know, smart person. I actually learned from one of my mentors. His name is Steve, late 50s, tons of experience in the stock market, tons of experience in real estate, and he was the one who actually enlightened me on the fact. He's like, get ready for inflation, this is how it works. And so I have mentors. I just regurgitate the lessons that I learned from those ahead of me. But why is it a perfect storm? Is because the interest rates are so low and we're in inflationary times. It's the perfect storm because we have the ability as real estate investors to own and control assets with other people's money, other people being the bank, with extremely low interest rates, and get those long-term 30-year fixed rate mortgages. This is a great time. We can produce cash flow with that good financing. The name of the game is finding good deals. So, you know, there's very little supply out there. Yes, we have demand. Yes, we are interested in buying assets, inflating with the economy, right? When you own assets, the assets inflate in price with the overall economy, with the cost of living. And then real estate is a great hedge against inflation because the rent that you're collecting, assumably so, is increasing along with the cost of living. So your income continues to rise as your expenses continue to rise. That is what a hedge is all about. The perfect storm consists of the low interest long-term debt in inflationary times. So you got a fixed rate payment, but the rents keep going up. Your margins continue to increase with these houses during these times with this good financing. But the name of the game is being able to find off-market deals. That's what we specialize in. We have a whole community about this. RiseWithTheCream.com. We teach people every day finding 20 deals a month, everybody. We're buying them, renting them. We do a lot of flips as well. And you can do it as well, but you've got to learn how to find great deals. That's what we do. Tons of cold calling. We're buying lists. We get these data lists from every source you can imagine. You know, we're just hammering the phones every single day, making cash offers, raising private capital, buying these houses, and then we are either going to refinance these properties, pay back our private lender, and have that low-interest 30-year fixed-rate mortgage on the house, or we're going to flip the house to a new buyer who's going to come in with a new loan and pay back our private lender, in which we will make a margin, we'll make a profit. So we're doing this every single day. I'd love to show you how as well. Let's make it a great day. Let's get after it today. I'm very fired up. It's Friday. This is when we handle a lot of meetings, a lot of communication within the organization, talking marketing, talking revenues, expenses, profits, losses. And I hope you get after it as well. It's your boy Dave P. Let's make it great.